Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this video, we are going to discuss about sorting, which is equivalent to SQL order by class. So in a PySpark, right, we have the order by. It's exactly equal to SQL order by. Using that, we can sort the data. So here, right, we have a orders table which contains multiple columns, order ID, customer ID and all. So there is a column called payment method. I want to sort the data based on the payment method. So here, right, I'll just use order by orders underscore df dot payment method. Okay, I want to sort the data based on the payment method dot show. Now when I execute this cell, the data will be sorted by default ascending order. Let's say cash comes first, credit card, net banking and so on. Okay, here we are sorting the data based on only one column, which is a payment method. But here if you see the data in a cache, the order ID is not arranged properly, either ascending or descending. 114 coming first, 119, again 104, then 111. So within the payment method, I want to rearrange the data by ascending order. Within payment method, let's say cache, within a cache, these 4 records should be arranged in the ascending order. Within a credit card, this data should be arranged in the ascending order. So in that case, we can use one more column, orders underscore df dot order ID. Now when I execute this code, the data will be arranged by ascending order within each payment method. It's executing, it's done. See now cache, within the cache, order ID 104, 111, 114, 119. It is arranged in the proper sorting manner, ascending order. Let's say we don't want ascending order of order ID. We want to put in a descending order. Only order ID within a payment method. We can use dot DESC. Now data will be arranged in the descending order within a payment method. After that order ID, see 119, 114, 111, 104. So in the credit card, it's in descending order, 120, 116, 112, 109, 105. So that's how we can sort the data based on the multiple columns, either by ascending order, descending order, or else both can be in descending order or both can be in ascending order. So we can use n number of columns, not only 2 columns. We can use one more comma here, and we can use one more variable, a customer ID, product ID, order date, whatever that is required as per the business use case. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next video.